fantastic. So the travel agent program, one of the things that we were talking about today, because of course we're on board with a bunch of travel agents, so we're talking shop. This is an amazing industry to be in. Of course, you do get discounts for travel, that's great. But obviously to be in this industry and want to make it part of your business, you want to be able to get to know your product so you can help your friends travel and get your loved ones, friends, family traveling. And one of the things that I think has come to our attention is we need to do an in-live travel agent training, because you have
live in person. Yeah,
for those of you that don't want to just do things online, right? Because you're always online.
Yeah, I'm in IT and I'm used to taking classes online, and we built our travel agent training, and it's award-winning. We have the social media training for travel agents. We've got the AI training for travel agents. We've got conferences and webinars that have been recorded and sitting there ready for you to consume at your own pace, and it's at your own pace. But that's a plus for me, but not for everybody. Not everybody learns that way.
Yeah.
And some people watch 1 or 2 videos and they're just they get numbed
out
and don't absorb the information. Yeah, zoomed out, exactly. So we're thinking of doing the same program but live in person on a cruise.
Yeah.
So we have already an extended weekend where the TMR, the Travel Market Report,
and that's in September in Marco Island, Florida.
Yes, that's going to be in a resort, and so we're going to add our travel agent training there. But we're also going to do something new, and that's put it on a cruise ship and make it a short 3-day or 4-day cruise. We haven't got the details yet, but we'll figure it out.
Yeah, so I'm super excited about that. That's really something that has been launched for me. Like this whole experience of being with other agents and hobnobbing and chatting. Hi, have a great day. Bonjour. So we're having like a lot of epiphany moments, and that's one of the things that we decided we wanted to do is offer an in-person live travel agent training program in Marco Island in Florida in September, and also on a cruise ship, a 3-nighter out of Florida. Joel, because he speaks French, people don't know this, my husband's first language is French.
Yes, we from Eastern Canada. That's right.
So I would love you just to invite them to our travel agent training program in French.
Oh, en français. OK. J'adore les Français, j'adore les Canadiens. Bien sûr, il faut absolument voyager le plus possible parce que les hivers sont tellement longs et froids. Alors, on vous invite à venir avec Travel Fun, faire vos voyages, mais vous pouvez faire le cours d'agent de voyage avec nous. Et comme ça, vous avez une entreprise à vous-même pour faire de l'argent de chez vous.
Okay.
C'est en ligne.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Venez.
sweet. All right, I'm Shelby. You're fabulous. We'll see you on board.